All right. So what is the X39 patch? The X39 patch is, like Danny said, a phototherapy patch. Let me make that really simple. Your body emits infrared light. That is why you are visible on an infrared camera. If you've ever wondered how soldiers see at night with those funny goggles they wear, it's because they're looking at the world as it emits infrared light. So you emit infrared light. That's why you're warm. When you stop emitting infrared light, you get cold, aka you die. That infrared light has many different frequencies in it, and the X39 patch is designed to reflect a very specific frequency of light back into the body. A lot of people ask me, well, so what? Why does that matter? It's a little bit like fingers on a chalkboard, right? If you've ever heard fingers on a chalkboard, you know that it really makes you powerfully uncomfortable, even though it's not that loud. In a similar way, certain frequencies of light resonate with your body in such a way that you get these disproportionate improvements in your health. And that's really what phototherapy at its heart is all about. Now, the X39 patch in particular has been engineered in order to boost levels of something called GHKCU, better known as GHK copper peptide, which is a peptide that's a small protein in the body that is linked to a whole host of different benefits to our health and well-being. Perhaps foremost of which is its effect on stem cell function. So GHKCU is very well known to improve stem cell function. This means that it accelerates wound healing, improves resiliency and performance, and gives people better energy, sleep, cognition, and recovery from injury and exercise. So that's why I love the X39 patch in a nutshell. So a common question that we get is, why does it work so well? If you know anything about stem cells really drive all healing, health, and wellness. You have a stroke, to recover, you need stem cells. You have a heart attack, to recover, you need stem cells. You break your leg, you injure your skin in some way, abrasions, lacerations, crush injuries, you need stem cells. The reason people say getting old is tough is because your stem cells are quitting on you as you get older. By 30, you've lost 50% of your stem cell activity. By 60, you've lost 90% of your stem cell activity. The reality is getting old doesn't have to be tough. You have to take care of your stem cells. That's what we do at my practice. Part of the way we do that is the X39 patches. So that, in a nutshell, is how the X39 patches work and why I love them. So my story with Lifewave starts almost 2 years ago now. April 2022 is when I signed up, something like that. 2023, I can't remember. My friend Renita Brannon kept contacting me about this product, said this is an amazing product. It's going to change your life, change your practice, give you transformational results for your patients. I ignored her for at least 4 months because I hear that a lot about a lot of different products, and most of them are not worth recommending, endorsing, or using. And I say that as someone who, like I said, gets a lot of product requests for endorsements and recommendations and promotions. And then I finally tried the product because she kept sending me proof that I couldn't ignore. And I also, like Danny said, have about an 8-year background in phototherapy. I've been using it in my practice pretty much that whole time, and couldn't be anywhere but on the leading edge of phototherapy. So I tried the product myself, started to recommend it to friends and family, and started to get all of these incredible, amazing, transformational testimonials from people from my newsletter subscribers. And I kept recommending the patches, kept getting these recommendations, started using it more and more in my practice, started to get more and more testimonials. And this has been really amazing for my practice because we tend to attract very sick, very difficult cases from all over the world who are coming to us for the latest and greatest and the newest breakthroughs in natural, integrative, and functional medicine. So the X39 patch is one that we use pretty much all the time. Just tonight, I had a patient calling me from Miami whose father's 87. He's in the ICU. You know, one of the last things he asked me on the call was, because his dad's trying to get home, was, how much do you really think these patches are going to help him? And I said, look, I've seen these things do amazing things. I don't know what they're going to do for him, but I think you should absolutely try them because I've seen them work miracles. So that's been my experience with the X39 patch and with Lifewave.